Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell a ticket on Tickpick. So to sell ticket on Tickpick is a very simple and easy process. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to help you get started. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the Tickpick website and sign up for an account. Then after that, log into your account on the Tickpick app or website. Then click on the sell ticket at the top right corner of the home page. Then search for the event you want to sell the ticket for and select the correct date, the venue and the date. Then enter the ticket details, which is to provide all the necessary ticket details including the seat disclosure if applicable. Then after that, you have to set your price. So to decide on a competitive price for your ticket, you can adjust the listing price based on the market demand. And after that, once you've entered all the details and you set your price, publish your listing, then you can edit or delete your listing at any time as long as they haven't sold. And after that, when your ticket sells, you will receive a payment equal to 85% of the total sale price. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.